Hi for everyone. It's a long time. So today I want to cook Sri Lankan chicken curry, spicy chicken curry, 100% for Sri Lankan Thai. This is 2 chicken I cut and wash. This is garam masala, tablespoon, and chili powder, tablespoon, black pepper, half tablespoon, teaspoon turmeric, then cumin powder is teaspoon, and then salt 2 teaspoon. So now you want to mix up in your hands. Alright, this is the first step, and put it in the side. Second step for chicken curry. So on the oven I add 3 tablespoon vegetable oil, and then I cut here 1 onion, like 6-7 pieces green chili, big pieces ginger, and 7 garlic cloves. So its oil is hot, so I add onion and garlic and ginger and green chili, and then curry leaves. I hope everybody know. And then cook everything until brown. And you see, everything is coming little bit brown. I add 2 tablespoons chili powder. Then you add the chicken. I marinate 15 minutes. You can mix very well. Alright, now you add 3 tablespoon vinegar. You can add some carbonate, cardamom, and pieces cinnamon stick, but I don't have it. It's very nice if you have a cinnamon stick. So that's it. You can cook this one 45 minutes. You can cook 10-15 minutes high fire, and then after 15 minutes you can put it the cover and cook half an hour low fire. So it's normally I don't like to add coconut, but some people add coconut, and some people add water little bit, and some people add tomato, but I cook just like this. It's too much dry. You can add little bit water, like half cup water, and then yeah, that's it. Let's see after done. Alright, my chicken curry is done. How it's beautiful, red color and nice, and the smell is so good. And I already put some in my plate with white rice. Woo. Woo. So nice. So you have to try yourself. Please don't put it spicy chili like me, because I eat a lot of spicy, like large, so you can less spicy. Okay, all right, thank you for watching. Enjoy, try yourself. So I want to eat. Ooh. Thank you for watching.
Hi, thanks for watching this video. We're so glad that you watched, and if you're still here, please make sure to subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, possibly give it a thumbs up. Here will be a video, and here will be a chance for you to subscribe. It means so much to us, and just thank you for all your support.